E-commerce is leaping into our world. The rise of internet, the rise of digital devices is transforming our shopping experience already. Naturally, B2B sector is following the trend and gradually is transferring their revenues to the digital sphere. We see that in 2017 already 30% of businesses have been placing their supply orders online, and in developed economies the share increases up to 60%. So the reasons behind the growth is naturally similar to the consumer industries, the internet, the devices, the connected consumers, yet businesses are also heavily affected by their business process digitalization, which is also driving the e-commerce growth. Such factors like Internet of Things, like big data or Industry 4, all are at the core of the growth of the e-commerce and B2B sector. Most connected markets already are making great progress in building Internet of Things ecosystems and connecting them to their B2B supply chains and e-commerce. In 2 years, up to 50% of the manufacturing industries will be using advanced cloud computing data. In 2017, we observed that the highest growth rate and the highest share of the revenues from the e-commerce and B2B sector is in raw material and component industries, such as wood, such as metals or plastics or rubber. All of those are at the core of the manufacturing supply chains and the final consumer goods. And since they are already highly digitalized, the share of the revenues from the e-commerce is among the highest in B2B sector. So we believe that business digitalization will continue driving e-commerce growth in B2B sector, and by 2025 in the most developed economies, up to 45% of the revenues will be coming from e-commerce.